Hey guys, this is Tami Klingenberg with Realty Partners of Central Florida. I'm coming to you today from Niagara Falls, Ontario with your Realtor Tip of the Week. I wanted to chat with you just a bit. I have received a few private messages asking me what I am doing in Canada. I'm actually in Canada for a very important reason, and that is to network with other realtors and do some additional continuing education. I think as you are looking to either sell your house or to buy a house, it's always important to work with a real estate partner who has a good network of other realtors. Our job as realtors is to market not only to buyers, if we're the seller's agent, but to also market to other realtors. And one thing I found out is that the best way to do that is get to know other realtors. So if you are looking to move outside of Florida, please contact me because I will know some realtors in other states, other countries that may be able to support you in your search. Also, just keep in mind when you're ready to sell your house that the real estate agent you work with should be able to network with agents outside of your direct area, including Canada, Mexico, other states. There are buyers all over the world, and we want to make sure that we get to know those agents so that we can have the best referral partners out there. So again, if you or one of your family members are looking to buy or sell, either in the U.S. or in Canada at this time, please contact me at 407-463-1178 and let me do the legwork and do a little investigation and find the best real estate agent for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.